Hello everyone. Welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today, your space for timeless truth in a noisy world. Today I want to ask you 3 questions. Have you ever felt like the harder you try, the further your goals seem to drift? Do you feel anxious chasing outcomes that never seem to arrive? What if you could get more by letting go? Because the Stoics believe this. True strength isn't in pushing harder, but in relaxing deeper. In this video, we'll explore how letting go, slowing down, and finding inner calm can actually help you manifest what you truly desire. Let's begin. Part 1. Detach from the outcome. Focus on the process. Seneca once said, "He suffers more than necessary, who suffers before it is necessary." That's what happens when we obsess over the future. Will I succeed? Will they like me? Will this be enough? The more we cling to outcomes, the more anxious and blocked we become. We lose presence, we lose joy, and ironically, we often lose the very result we were chasing. The Stoic approach is simple. Do your best, but don't obsess. Show up fully in the present moment. Focus on your actions, your attitude, your integrity. Let go of what lies beyond your control. By detaching from the outcome, you're not giving up, you're rising above. You become calmer, wiser, and strangely, more effective. Because when your energy is free from worry, you perform at your highest. And that's when success starts to find you. Part 2. Understand the dichotomy of control. At the heart of Stoicism is one powerful distinction. Some things are up to us, others are not. Yet most of our stress comes from forgetting that. We worry about other people's opinions, uncertain outcomes, external events. But here's the truth. You don't control the weather. You don't control what others think. You don't control the timing of life. What you do control is how you show up. Your effort, your mindset, your choices. When you stop wasting energy on the uncontrollable, you unlock a deeper peace. You make clearer decisions, and you move forward with strength, not fear. Relaxation from a Stoic view isn't laziness, it's wisdom. It's focusing only where your power truly lies. Part 3. Cultivate inner stillness. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire, but even he needed stillness. He wrote, "Nowhere can man find a quieter retreat than in his own soul." In a chaotic world, inner stillness is your superpower. When your mind is calm, like still water, it reflects the truth without distortion. But when you're anxious, racing thoughts, constant tension, you can't see clearly. You react, you doubt, you rush. Stoic relaxation means creating space within, space for reflection, for clarity, for calm presence. How? Through simple practices, journaling your thoughts, sitting in silence, taking walks without distractions, being mindful of your breath. Stillness isn't about doing nothing, it's about doing the right things in the right spirit. From that place of calm, life becomes clearer and more beautiful. Part 4. Align with nature's flow. Nature doesn't rush, and yet, everything gets done. The Stoics taught us to live in harmony with nature's rhythm, not to fight it. Lao Tzu, though not a Stoic, said it perfectly. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. When we force things, we resist life. We stress over timelines. We cling to control. But growth, true, lasting growth, takes its own time. Just like a tree doesn't bloom in winter, your life unfolds at its own pace. Relaxation, then, is a kind of trust. A belief that what is meant for you will not miss you. If you remain open, patient, and prepared, let go of the rush. Flow with life, not against it, and you'll find yourself exactly where you need to be. Part 5. Develop Amor Fati, love your fate. One of the Stoics' boldest teachings is Amor Fati, the love of fate. It means embracing everything that happens, not just accepting it, but loving it. This is not easy. How do you love setbacks, pain, disappointment? The answer is, you recognize it all as fuel. Every challenge, every delay, every closed door is shaping you. Relaxation here means surrender, not to weakness, but to wisdom. You stop resisting reality. You stop saying, "Why me?" and start saying, "Let's see what I can do with this." When you live with Amor Fati, life becomes lighter. Even pain has purpose. Even struggle has beauty. And in that spirit, you stop chasing success, because you're already aligned with life, and success begins to chase you. Conclusion. So remember this. Relaxation isn't the enemy of achievement. It's the doorway to it. Detach from what you can't control. Find stillness in your soul. Trust the timing of life, and embrace every twist of fate as part of your path. The Stoics weren't passive, they were powerful, because they moved from peace, not panic. And so can you. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to breathe deep and let go. And if you found value in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Stoic Wisdom today. There's calmness waiting inside you. And when you find it, you'll discover how powerful you already are.